Greetings, my vamps, and Merry Christmas! Another year is ending very soon, and I thought that for Christmas time, I'm gonna be doing some kind of creepy creature Christmas tree thing, evil Christmas tree, I don't know what to call it. I'm making this up as I go. I just kind of have an idea of what I want to do in my head, but I'm not really sure what it's gonna become. I don't know. So, hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I'm just gonna get right into it. Okay, so to start this, I'm just gonna cover myself in white water-based paint, and then we're just gonna go from there. I don't know, just white paint felt right. This is not right. Where is my brand new white? Aha! There it is. Okay. So yeah, just I'm gonna take my little spray bottle here. This is actually a tip that I got from Lex from Made You Look recently to spray your water. It seems a little bit easier. So I'm gonna give that a try today, especially since it's going all over my body. That's cold. And I'm just leaving my lip ring in today. Okay, now that that's dried, I think I'm going to start contouring my face and body to look kind of like sickly, and yeah. We're just gonna start shading and doing stuff. And I think I'll just start with this gray makeup powder that I got from the Halloween store. Cheap stuff, okay, guys?
And for contouring, I just kind of filled in every little indentation on my body as if you were trying to paint a skeleton shape. Just kind of making everything sink in a little bit.
Now we'll take our smaller brush and kind of go over those same places with the same color. Slowly start getting it more defined. I have no idea what this is gonna be like. I'm just doing random stuff.
Okay, and next to darken everything more, we take our 24K Nudes Maybelline palette and use the brown color to go over top of what we just did.
Now that we've got some shading going, I think we're gonna do the eyebrows a weird green color. Now we're gonna do the eyeshadow. I'll put a little bit of primer on my eyes. Let's start with green eyeshadow.
And you can also find that green eyeshadow in the 24K Nudes Maybelline palette.
Cool, now we're gonna mix some blue. Do the same thing around the edges, green and then blue. I actually think I'm gonna add a little bit of black eyeshadow to this, maybe a little bit darker.
And I don't know what kind of palette I got that from because the name is scratched off. It's so old, so whatever black eyeshadow you have, just use that.
It's just a touch, like I said. And now I have this highlighting powder I want to put on my eyes. Okay, now I want to texture this up a little bit more by just kind of spreading some powder all over. Now let's do our lips real quick, which I think I'm just going to do with a black paint. I actually think I'm going to bring my lips out a little bit longer just to add to kind of the creepiness of it. So now that I got this done, I think I'm gonna start applying my Christmas tree limbs. They're tiny little limbs from a wreath, so that's all I have to work with today. But I think it should still turn out pretty cool that way. So in order to do this, I think I'm gonna first attach it with some latex just to get it to stick, and then I'm gonna apply some stuff around it to make it look like it's popping out of my skin almost, I think. Maybe I should make that stuff first. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use Scar Wax Decisions. I'm just gonna apply the tree first. So we'll just take a little bit of latex and let's do this side. Okay, actually I'm gonna use toilet paper. A little bit of latex and then we'll roll some toilet paper pieces. And we're just gonna keep layering that right now. And we'll put some latex on it. Shove this down inside of it. Okay, now that that's on there, I'm going to attach Scar Wax around it. I think that'll help hold it on. And this is some homemade Scar Wax that I just had already made from a few videos ago. If you recall the Saul video with Billy the Puppet, that's what this is from. I just need to hold that up a little bit. Just wrap it around. This should help it be a lot sturdier. Okay guys, so I got this kid's modeling clay that actually works a lot better for what I'm trying to do. Once it's covered with makeup, you won't be able to see all of that, but just stick it on with some latex. Alright guys, so now that I got my little tree limbs sticking out, I don't want to do too many and just overpower the whole look. I just want a couple to look like they're growing out of my body. So I basically used a mixture of that clay, latex, and toilet paper to help hold it all in. I think now I want to paint the limbs black. We're just going to use water-based paint for that. It seems to work. I just want to darken them up a little bit. They don't gotta be completely covered or anything. should help that one stay on. While that dries, we'll continue with the paint. Uh-oh, splattered some black on me. Kinda adds to it a little, I guess. Now we're just going to take some blush and some eyeshadow to add around these, and then we'll put blood on and make them look kind of grody and just creepy, like it was painfully growing out of me. Hopefully that's what it looks like. I'm so scared these are just going to fall off. That one's pretty loose too. Like, I don't know what else to do with it. Don't mess with them for way too long. I'm tired of it. I'm just going to go with it. Now we are going to add blood. Well, first, red cream paint and black cream paint for the definition of it. That's what gets it looking all grody, and then we'll add our fake blood. Before we add the blood, I have some cream, like glitter makeup that I want to add just to give it that extra, like, Christmassy look. I'm only going to add it in certain parts of my face. Now that I've got my glitter and stuff on, I even add a little bit to my lips, it's time to add our blood. Now that I've got the blood on, I'm going to go paint my hair white, put my contacts in, put my eyelashes on. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this. I hope that you liked this video. It turned out pretty cool, I think. Besides this one little limb that keeps trying to fall off. I decided to add this at last minute too, kind of like a hair piece. I definitely enjoy this, and I didn't really want to make it super bloody like I normally like to do. Just a little bit, but this isn't exactly about blood. This is about Christmas. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure that you go subscribe and like this video and hit the little bell to give you notifications whenever I post a new video. If you have any questions, concerns, or requests, please let me know that in the comments. And if you would like me to do more stuff like this that's just kind of made up and weird or whatever, especially for like holidays, please let me know that in the comments as well. Thank you all for watching as usual, and I will catch you all next week. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Yay!